Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. For those of you that are new here, today I'll be creating a pink romantic look inspired by the beautiful products my grandma and my aunt gifted me. I have already my eyebrows and my eyelids prepped. All the products I use in this video will be listed below for you. The first product I'm going to use is this Golden Baked Shimmer eyeshadow. I'll be using the tip of my finger to pat it on my eyelid. It gives off a more intense application when using your fingers. For the crease colors, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Eyeshadow Palette. I picked up a few of the pink and tan shades for the first color in my crease. To deepen up the crease, I picked up a magenta shade, and then I blended all the eyeshadows together seamlessly. To make the eyelids pop, I used the gold glitter cream eyeshadow my aunt gave me. I use it only on the inner half of my eye. It is similar to the Stila cream eyeshadow. I then used a fan to dry the eyeshadows on my eye. I picked up a little bit of the magenta shade to help blend the eyeshadows more, and then I did my eyelashes and eyeliner off camera. Moving on to the face, I used the Wet n Wild foundation. I normally do not like foundation, but I think this is my favorite one I have ever tried. It gives a natural but full coverage look. For concealer, I used the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer in the color Light. I then proceeded to put powder on my face and under my eyes to bake a little. I picked up some pink eyeshadows and I smudged it on my lower lash line to finish off the eyes. I wiped off the powder and then I added some mascara because my eyelashes got a little bit powdery on them. I did my contour off camera and I added some blush using the Shiny Blush Palette in the number 5. For highlight, I am using this palette my aunt gave me. I was so excited to use this, and clearly the wait was so worth it because the product is amazing. It gives off a beautiful glow to the skin. For lips, I lined them using the Shiny Chunky Lip Pencil in the shade Luxury, and then I filled them in using this beautiful Deep Berry Wine Color Lipstick. And that is it for the finished look. I hope you all liked this look. If you did, don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you are aware of my next video is out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.